follows it.
Okay,
Amazing.
great.
And then, you know, that we've got a great heritage of poets as well and writers as well. But then at the same time, you know, they say that the most important thing in a film is script, script, and script. So, you know, you guys being so amazing poets as well and then writers, why do you think that the scripts these days are not what we were expecting?
Well, fortunately, it's only not only the script that matters in a film. With the poor script and with the powerful production, for that matter,
I mean,
direction.
if you being a film teacher saying that powerful production and script being poor can pull it off,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I think that the viewers need to really keep
Well, it's
their
about
levels up
entertainment,
a
right?
bit,
Because
yeah.
even you have these super films from America and stuff, and it's not the best storyline, but visually it's amazing.
Exactly, exactly. Thank you very much. When Sholay was
I'll
produced,
disagree to that.
no, when Sholay was produced, Indian film, Sholay,
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan's great blockbuster, when that was produced in a press conference, the director was asked that the journalist actually criticized that you mingled at least 5 to 6 films
Yes.
and you made one film. And he said that why did not some other director come forward and made that formula put to work? If you know that this is the storyline and it is very simplistic, one villain, one hero, and villain actually, you know, kidnaps heroine and she sings the song.
But one last thing. You know what you should have done? You should have quoted Jawani Phir Nahi Aani, who's done most of the business within the Pakistani
Yeah, I was coming to Pakistan
cinema
as well.
and after the revival of cinema as well, and then they are coming with Jawani Phir Nahi Aani too. All the examples you've quoted are from across the borders. I don't like it.
Oh, thank you, being patriotic.
It's a,
Yeah.
But I'm also very patriotic. You see, I was coming to Moor, and wherever I'm asked, I always mention Moor as the masterpiece of Pakistani
Jami did a
cinema.
great job.
Yes, Jami is a wonderful, wonderful director. And believe me, I think that he is the modern, he's the David Lean of modern day. David Lean's Dr. Zhivago, you see the cinematography of that film will definitely inspire you.
Absolutely.
That will inspire you as brilliantly as Moor inspires you.
exactly, and it's a really good reflection of the potential that the Pakistani
Exactly.
cinema has. But we've actually run out of time. Thank you so much for being here today, and best of luck with the latest edition. Shazad, do you want to read it? And
Yeah, the title says